Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who struggles with dry, damaged, or overworked hair, you've probably been on the hunt for a product that not only nourishes, but helps maintain your hair's moisture and shine. Today, we're looking at a luxury hair care bundle that promises to give your hair the ultimate nourishment and protection. The Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Blend Gentle Cleansing Shampoo and Moisture Replenish Conditioner, paired with their leave-in conditioner. This powerful trio is designed to revitalize, fortify, and give your hair a soft, shiny finish. But does it really live up to the claims? Let's dive into the details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future honest reviews. The Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Blend is all about revitalizing and fortifying your hair with the rich, healing properties of black seed oil. It's formulated for all hair types and packed with antioxidants to protect your strands against environmental stressors. The shampoo's gentle formula not only cleanses but also replenishes moisture, preparing your hair for styling. Meanwhile, the conditioner takes hydration a step further, deeply moisturizing while working to restore elasticity and manageability. Let's talk about the real-world experience. First off, the shampoo is surprisingly gentle for something that's intended to replenish moisture. It has a nice lather and doesn't strip my hair like some other shampoos tend to do. As someone with dry, color-treated hair, that's a huge plus. After using it, my hair felt clean, but not overly stripped or dry, which a big win. I didn't need to use a ton of product to get a good cleanse, so I was impressed by its effectiveness. Now the conditioner is where the magic happens. It's rich and creamy, and it really does live up to its claim of moisture replenishment. My hair felt noticeably softer after rinsing, and it's been much easier to manage overall. I used it on damp hair and immediately felt it detangle and smooth the strands, which is exactly what I need for my often unruly locks. The true test was after I styled my hair, and I was pleased to see that it held up with minimal frizz and a beautiful shine. The leave-in conditioner? It's a game changer. It's lightweight, but the hydrating benefits are real. It helped detangle and protect my hair against heat styling. I've been using it as a prep step before blow drying, and my hair has been looking sleek without being weighed down. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the entire bundle provides noticeable moisture replenishment and leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. The shampoo doesn't strip hair, and the conditioner adds much-needed hydration without heaviness. The leave-in conditioner is a great bonus, offering protection against thermal styling and adding shine. On the downside, the price point might be a little higher than drugstore options, but the quality and ingredients certainly justify it for those looking for a more luxurious experience. Speaking of value, it's clear this bundle is an investment. You're getting 3 quality products that work well together to restore moisture, detangle, and protect your hair. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are some similar products out there, though they might not have the same richness of ingredients like the black seed oil. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical, with easy-to-use pumps that prevent wasting product. The product itself lasts well, and given the hydration properties, I believe it would last longer than many cheaper alternatives. In terms of customer service, I haven't had to reach out for this particular brand yet, but Chai has a solid reputation for responding promptly to customer inquiries and providing effective solutions when needed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. To wrap it up, this Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Bundle is a great choice for anyone looking to replenish moisture, protect from heat damage, and restore shine. It's best suited for those with dry or damaged hair who are looking for a luxurious, nourishing treatment. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.